Campers, party for two? Campers, party for two. Oh, hey there, it's Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. You probably figured it out. I have an awesome travel trailer behind me for two people. I can't wait to get into it for new this year, Keystone Springdale Mini 1710MB. Let's get into it. Before we get into this amazing little footprint of a floor plan, I gotta start with the outside patio time. As you can see, we have the full length of the side here with awning coverage. We have a huge window behind me that, man, I can continue that patio time inside if I wanted to. We've got a great storage up front. On the backside, it is equipped with a spare tire just in case you have that boo-boo. Backup camera for that extra visibility for those new campsites backing in, a ladder for telescoping purposes that you can get on the top for maintenance or whatever you may need, and as well as a solar port input to make sure that you capture some of those solar UV rays, especially if you're boondocking. Inside the 17-foot floor plan, again, the Keystone Springdale Mini 1710MB. Great little floor plan for two people. Let's get into the kitchen first. We have a lot of space here for storage. To the left of the refrigerator and the microwave, we have two cabinet doors that reveal some great pantry space. Of course, a lot of space above the microwave that you guys can see. Good old microwave, just in case you got to zap those reheats or popcorn for movie time. We do have a 12-volt refrigerator. It is a little bit smaller refrigerator than traditional travel trailer, but hey, you see plenty of floor space as we go through this video. Always bring a cooler. Get into the actual kitchen part here. Of course, we've got our sink, 2-burner stove to get some cooking going on, especially if it's cold outside and you need to be inside. A couple drawers, 2 drawers for utensils, things like that. Some great storage underneath the sink. And then last but not least, overhead, we've got our 2-door cabinets just to throw pots and pans and plates and things like that. I think my favorite part of this camper is this cool setup on the door side or awning side. As you can see behind me, or to my side of me, is a huge window. In a travel trailer, I've never seen a big window like this. I can just imagine myself sitting here enjoying a morning cup of coffee, maybe getting some work in, and just having a great view while I'm just sitting here chilling out inside. But anyway, check out the counter space or tabletop, whatever you want to call it. It is a lot of space. And what's really cool, unique about this, it is a versatile setup. We're gonna get into the different setups, but you have 2 chairs, as you guys can see. In this middle section, I've got a surprise for you, but we can change that and make it really convenient for whatever you need. Table for 2, a workstation for 2, or just a big U-shape table setup. In the back of the travel trailer is a wide side-to-side space of a bathroom. Nothing small about this bathroom. As you guys can see walking in this door, we've got our toilet immediate ahead. I've got plenty of leg room. We could throw a toilet paper holder easily in any arm's reach. To my right is going to be our full vanity. A lot of counter space. Big mirror, check my hair in the morning, a lot of toiletries that we can lay out, and more importantly, tons of space underneath the sink to throw even more gear in. And then of course to my left, or the other side of the opposite side, is a big shower. Throw a shower curtain on there that kind of sets your vibe for the bathroom, but I've got plenty of elbow space and plenty of height to be able to get a nice warm shower. Wrap up this cute little floor plan, guess what's left? Yeah, the bedroom on the front side of the wall. We're gonna have sleeping for 2, seating for 2. Obviously you guys can see already, but it's a Murphy bed. We have a nice futon kind of style that we can flip down flat, pull out the mattress, and have that as a great versatile space. But before we get into setting that up, let me also make sure that you see the storage space on both sides, end table on both sides, as well as charging ports for 110 or 12 volt for all those necessary mobile devices that you may need on the road. Sofa, let's get into that Murphy bed. And good night. Coming in about a little over 20 feet only 3,400 pounds. Again, the Keystone Springdale Mini 17MB. What do you think of it? Give it a thumbs up if you like it. I know I'm giving it 2 thumbs up. Comment below, love to hear your first impressions, or more importantly, there's stuff we didn't cover. Throw me some questions, I'll get you some answers. And lastly, everybody, show us some love, smash that subscribe button. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you at the campsites.